cut the top off each one. And now I'm going to rinse them off. I'm going to place them in my Instant Pot and let them steam for about 5 minutes, and then they'll be ready to go. I've placed my bell peppers in my Instant Pot, and I'm going to let it cook for 5 minutes on steam. Place it on 5 minutes. I'm not going to seal the pot. I'm just going to place the top on the pot so I can take them out in 5. I'll just have the lid just kind of. I have 1.2 pounds of turkey, ground turkey meat. I'm cutting up these bell peppers here that, I cut off the bell peppers, and I'm going to add that to my stuffed bell peppers. I'm going to chop up 2 cloves of garlic and a half an onion. The half an onion, I chopped up the half an onion. I have 5 Roman tomatoes. I just washed them, and I'm going to put them in my Ninja and chop these up for the stuffed bell peppers. Okay, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of basil, 4 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a pack of stevia, half an onion, some bell peppers that I had left over, 2 garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of pepper, 2 teaspoons of the Mexican hot sauce, Valentino Mexican hot sauce. I'm gonna go 3. You can skip that if you don't like that. I have tomato paste, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 stalk of celery, 1 teaspoon of chili, add 4 ounces of cream cheese to this cup, sharp cheddar cheese, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Oops, it's a little bit more, but it'll be good. That was apple cider vinegar, and 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt. And let's mix this up. Mix it up with our hands. And I'm going to add 1 egg. Half a cup of Parmesan cheese. And I have 1 cup of cauliflower. We're using cauliflower instead of rice, so it'll make it a low carb stuffed bell pepper. Now, if you don't like cauliflower and you want to add your rice at this point, do so. I'm going to spread those out. I added some tomatoes to the pan. I'm going to spread those out. Three right together here. And they are cooked. are ready to go in the oven at 350 degrees for 60 minutes. And okay, I'm gonna cover it with aluminum foil on the top. This is some of the mixture I had left over from the stuffed bell peppers, so I just stuffed them in a pan here. So they are really unstuffed bell peppers. I guess I'm always thinking about catering and making sure I have enough food for everybody. But we don't eat all of this food. Sometimes I freeze it and sometimes I give it away. I added some Valentino Mexican hot sauce on the top of it. So I'm gonna place it in the oven. It's gonna be for 350 degrees for 60 minutes. So these are great for Super Bowl parties. I just took them out of the oven, the stuffed bell peppers, and they smell delicious, look delicious. And I can't eat any right now. Stuffed bell peppers look awesome, look fantastic. You have to try this recipe. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.